So, the first one is, I'm not gonna eat it, but salmon mayo. Was what they said. Lamig daw ni. But, I don't know. That's the first one. Second one is tuna mayo. Oh, okay. Salmon dito ko sa kanikay tuna. Okay. Ikainit yata eh. Init to yata eh. Then, spicy cani mayo. Ano siya nakalahi? Basta, init. And then, chicken teriyaki. Ay, familiar. Tamis man eh. Pero okay naman, guro. So, these are the three. Ngayon yun ang alamig ko, no? Lamig daw. But, let's gonna try it. Okay. Kaning salmon mayo. Tuna mayo. That's chicken teriyaki. And then spicy. I don't know. Basta ka na siya. Let's see. So, one shot. Yeah, there's a strip. This one. And then you're just gonna pull it that way until at the end. This happened. And then, so this happened. So, mas-separate mo ang that. Init kayo! Then, init ka din, promise. And then, I don't know, that cannot. So, 1, 2, and 3. Then, this happened. Right. So, mura siya kitong Korean, di ba? As in, nice kayo. Hold on. Here's item. That's good. Init ka siya dahil. Promise. Pero dami lang green. And seaweed. Init siya ka, promise. Kala. Sige. Five minutes guys. 5 minutes rules. Pobre banta. Bahala sila. Ano naman? Wala. Hidit kayo sa day. Anyway, there's someone there. Benta.